Hey, y'all, what is up? We about to be reacting to some. It's DDG. I don't know no SKT. So let's hit it.
You don't know me, alright, nigga, we gon' see. I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. Yeah! Back and nigga, feature Joe Button. DJ.
But I'm about to go to the studio right now, matter of fact.
You in the studio right now?
Hell yeah. DDG, diss track coming, and Booty coming soon. I'm gonna holler at you.
Alright, I ain't
Hey man, look man, my nigga finna go to the studio.
What he finna do?
Cook up some heat.
Oh.
He finna diss Pontiac made DDG
And Pootie.
Both of them niggas. Ain't Pootie little nigga with the hair.
Pootie little nigga with the hair. It's DDG, I don't know no SKT.
BBC, fuck that nigga DDG.
Come over to this man Shark House, man, right? I asked this man for some watermelon. This man come get the watermelon, drop the shit all on the floor. Watermelon busted.
You still trying to eat that shit though?
Man, you got me fucked up.
That shit look schmank, man.
How you managed to do that?
Hey bro, I ain't that big.
Hey, that muscle looking thick.
Shit thick as fuck.
That shit thick.
Look how this motherfucker busted.
Ooh, that thing thick, boy.
Bro, that shit what? Did you nuts you busting in?
Oh, yeah, probably.
Fucked up already. That boy.
What'd you say, nigga?
Shit, we about to get thick with it. You lame, you broke, you went busting.
You was off
I
again,
think I
nigga.
almost
You was off again.
It was off again?
Yeah, you was off.
You lame, you broke, you went.
What the fuck you got going on, nigga?
You give views because you clickbait, you'll
This
just
is my
stop.
last time reacting to the
Fuck that shit up.
last and
Cashed
first.
out and bought you. I think. Take a nigga band. Take it. Hey, man.
I'm ending this video. Yeah, I'm a Luwop, but that's Luwop, my homie. But I'm gonna make a new reaction today, but later. So stay tuned.